Hello students, today in this session we will discuss types of nucleophilic substitution reactions. The first one are bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, that is SN2 reactions. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Second, monomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, SN1 reactions. Monomolecular nucleophilic substitution, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. At first, SN2 reactions, that is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. These are called SN2 reactions because two species react with each other in single step. Students, two species, one will be haloalkane and second will be nucleophile. That is negative part of the attacking reagent, we call it nucleophile. Rx, it is haloalkane. It's clear. Halide ion will be replaced by the negative part of the attacking reagent. The resulting product is ROH plus X negative. Students, that's haloalkane Rx. Please remember, for SN2 reactions, we always start from primary haloalkane, 1 degree haloalkane, that is CH3X. Leads to the formation of nucleophilic substitution proceeds. Halide ion is replaced by nucleophile, that is alcohol plus Br negative. Now it's clear, students, rate of reaction, it is proportional to the concentration of reactants. What are the reactants? That is haloalkane plus nucleophile, CH3 Br, and second one is nucleophile, that is OH negative. Rate of reaction equals to rate constant CH3 Br and then nucleophile OH negative. It's clear, students, what is the order of this reaction? 1 plus 1, 2. We call bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. Two species, that is haloalkane and nucleophile, react in single step. You know, single step reactions, these are called elementary reactions. After, next, mechanism of SN2 reactions. Give mechanism of bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions, or question may be, show that SN2 reactions undergo inversion of configuration. SN2 reactions undergo inversion of configuration. Students, there are two terms. One is retention of configuration and second one is inversion of configuration. At first, please clear your concept. Retention of configuration, just like that is haloalkane Rx. Any attacking reagent, I mentioned nucleophile, that is Z negative. Retention, re means again. Students, halide ion eliminates and Z approach on the carbocation leads to the formation of RZ plus X negative. Retention means new group occupies the same position as that of the leaving group. Students, it is clear, it is Rx. In Rx, the leaving group is halide ion, but is formed RZ. Retention means new group occupies the same position. It is clear, halide ion is on right side of alkyl group and the new group also occupies the same position, that is on the right side of the alkyl group. We call it retention of configuration. New group occupies the same position as that of the leaving group. Second one is inversion of configuration. Inversion, students, inverse, opposite. Again similar reaction, R X plus nucleophile, Z negative. Again leads to a formation of RZ and halide ion eliminates. Students, what happens in it? X is on right side of the alkyl group, but new group approaches to the opposite side. X is on right side, Z is on left side. new group occupies opposite position that of the leaving group. We call it inversion of configuration. It's clear leaving group is on right side of alkyl group, but the new group which approach to the carbocation, it is on left side. Such patterns are called inversion of configuration, and these are called retention of configuration. New group occupies the same position. X leaving group on right side, new group also approach on the right side. These are the two terms, retention and inversion. Please remember what will happen in SN2 reactions. Inversion of configuration. Mechanism of SN2 reactions. Friends, that's the alpha carbon shown with the help of circle. In circle, the carbon atom alpha carbon is mentioned. SN2 reaction, we always start from primary halolkane plus nucleophile. Students, what will happen? Nucleophile will approach on the alpha carbon and halide ion will eliminate. Halide ion, it is the leaving group. Please look here carefully. This bond will start breaking. Br, partial negative. It is electronegative. Withdraw electrons of the bond. What will happen? It is the leaving group and nucleophile will approach on the alpha carbon. But please remember, nucleophile will approach from the opposite side. It will approach on the alpha carbon from the opposite side, because on the front side electronegative atom is present. There will be repulsive forces. The nucleophile will approach from the back side. Nucleophile is OH negative. It starts forming bond with alpha carbon, so I mentioned partial negative. Now it's clear, there are three hydrogen atoms, 1, 2 and 3. What we call it? Reaction intermediate. Friends, intermediate state is formed, that is reaction intermediate is formed. Intermediate state. When intermediate state is formed, immediately what happens next? Reactants changes to products. At first, again, its leaving group, bond will start breaking. Halogen electronegative withdraw electrons from the bond and nucleophile will approach on alpha carbon. It will approach from the back side, because on the front side electronegative halide ion is present. It's clear. It's transition state. When transition state is formed, immediately reactant changes to products. Students, it's clear what happens. That's alpha carbon shown with the help of circle. Leaving group eliminates. Leaving group is halide ion. Leaving group eliminates and the nucleophile approach on alpha carbon. Nucleophile is OH. Student, it is clear. Halide ion is on right side, but nucleophile approach on left side. It is opposite pattern. It means I will mention hydrogens on this side now. Now what we call it? Retention or inversion. Students, it is inversion of configuration. New group approaches on the opposite side. Inversion of configuration. That's the mechanism of SN2 reactions. Students, SN2 reactions. Why we start from primary halolkane? Suppose if it is 3 degree halolkane, 3 degree means R. Alkyl groups, they will be bulky in size. R groups will be bulky in size. It means they will block the attack of nucleophile. That's the reason we always start from primary halolkane. That is, we mention hydrogen atoms which are very small size. Nucleophile can easily approach on alpha carbon. That's the mechanism of SN2 reactions. Next, again important, factors affecting SN2 reactions. In competitive exams, questions will be from this. What are the factors which affect SN2 reactions? First one, nature of RX, nature of halolkane. Students, we study mechanism of SN2 reaction. If it is 3 degree halolkane, it means there will be bulky alkyl groups RRR. Alpha carbon is tertiary, it means it is 3 degree halolkane. It means they will block the path of the nucleophile. It cannot approach on alpha carbon. Which is more reactive? Nature of RX. Students, 1 degree halolkane. Then 2 degree halolkane and then 3-degree haloalkane. I mention here some examples. RX, RX, A, B. A is 1-bromopropane and B is 2-bromopropane. Students, which is more reactive towards SN2 reaction? A or B? Please check the nature of haloalkane. A, it is primary haloalkane. Alpha carbon is in link with one carbon. And B, it is secondary haloalkane. Which is more reactive? Nature of RX, that is 1 degree. We will go with the option A. The second is nature of leaving group. Students, in haloalkanes, what happens? It may be alkyl chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide. Nature of leaving group means size of halogen atom. Students, it's clear. R is carbon, belongs to second period, second shell. Fluorine belongs to second period, second shell. R always remains second shell. Carbon 2s2 2p2. Bromine 3s2 3p 5. Bromine 4s2 4p 5. And iodine 5s2 5p 5. There is large energy difference when we move down the group. If there is large energy difference, means bond will be weak, and it will easily dissociate. Nature of leaving group means size of halogen atom. Students, more the size of halogen atom, that is, weak will be the bond and easily it will eliminate and easily nucleophile will approach. In second factor, we will say which haloalkane is more reactive, that is iodoalkane. Then bromoalkane, chloroalkane, and least reactive is fluoroalkane, because in fluoroalkane the bond is strong between halogen and alpha carbon, and in iodoalkanes bond is weak. Again, second question. A is iodopropane and B is fluoropropane. Which is more reactive towards SN2 reactions? Students, nature of leaving group. We study Ri is more reactive. It means definitely we will take Ri. That's all for SN2 reactions. That is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. After SN2 reactions, students, next is SN1 reactions. We call them monomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. SN1, please come here. Monomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. These are called SN1 reactions because these reactions are completed in 2 steps. 2-step reactions, elementary reactions 1 step, complex reactions proceeding in more than 1 step. They are completed in 2 steps. And students, for SN1 reactions, we always start from 3-degree haloalkane. Please look here, tertiary haloalkane, that is alpha carbon is in link with 3 other carbon atoms. In SN2 reactions, we mention hydrogen because when we study mechanism, steric hindrance was observed. Students, that is 3-degree haloalkane. What will happen in it? Before the attack of the nucleophile, in slow step, halide ion eliminates. Before the attack of the nucleophile, and that slow step, rate depends upon slow step, halide ion eliminates. What will be formed? Carbocation. Its leaving group CH3, carbocation is formed. Now in second step, nucleophile will attack on this carbocation. Step 2. The product of step 1 must be the reactant in second step, that is carbocation. Why we start from 3-degree haloalkane? Because tertiary carbocation is more stable. That's the reason whenever there are 3-degree haloalkanes, they undergo SN1 reactions. Plus, now nucleophile will approach. That is your nucleophile, just like QH aqueous. The negative part is hydroxide ion. It will approach on the carbocation, leads to the formation of tertiary alcohol. SN1 reactions completed in 2 steps. Now it is clear rate of reaction. Second step, it is fast. Rate of reaction is proportional to the concentration of reactants in slow step. Students, what's the reactant in slow step? 3 degree haloalkane. CH3 whole thrice CBr. यानी rate of reaction equals to rate constant that is the chemistry of SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. Monomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions completed in 2 steps. Starts from 3 degree haloalkane. At first make carbocation and then attack of nucleophile leads to a formation of alcohol. That is, halide ion is replaced by the negative part of attacking reagent nucleophile. After this, next mechanism of SN1 reactions. Give mechanism of SN1 reactions, or question may be show that SN1 reactions undergo retention as well as inversion of configuration. SN1 reactions undergo retention as well as inversion. Retention means similar site and inversion means inverse opposite site. Now please come here again, that is 3 degree haloalkane SN1 reactions. Why we start from 3 degree haloalkane? It gives stable tertiary carbocation. Students, we will start from it. Alpha carbon is shown with the help of circle. What will happen in it? In slow step, halide ion eliminates and leads to a formation of carbocation, which we study. That's the reaction intermediate is formed. Leads to a formation of carbocation. And there are 3 R means alkyl groups. That's reaction intermediate. What will happen, students, now? On carbocation, nucleophile will approach. Nucleophile, that is attacking reagent OH negative. Nucleophile will approach. Now students, it's clear, nucleophile, it can approach either from the front side. Most probably it will approach from the front side because there is no electronegative element, it is eliminated. Or there are also some chances that is it attacks on the carbocation from back side. Both routes are open. Now students, please look here what will happen in second step. That's carbocation. Nucleophile approach directly from the front side OH. Or there are also the chances that is nucleophile approach on carbocation from back side. If nucleophile approach from front side, it is clear. On the front side nucleophile, so here I mention alkyl groups. And second route, nucleophile approach from back side, opposite, here I mention alkyl groups. Now students, it is clear. Halide ion is on the right side, nucleophile is also on the right side. We call it inversion of configuration. Please write at the bottom inversion of configuration. And in this case, halide right side but nucleophile on left side, we call it, at first we call it retention of configuration. Nucleophile on the same side as that of the leaving group. Retention means new group occupies the same position. Sorry for that, it is retention of configuration. And second, it is inversion of configuration. Nucleophile occupies opposite position as that of the leaving group. That's the mechanism of SN1 reactions. Or question may be show that SN1 reaction undergo retention as well as inversion of configuration. After this last, we will study factors affecting SN1 reactions. Factors affecting SN1 reactions. Students, same that we study in SN2. First, nature of Rx. Nature of Rx. haloalkane. It is clear in SN1 reactions carbocation is formed. If it is 3 degree haloalkane, the stable tertiary carbocation will be formed. So what's the order? 3 degree, then 2 degree and least 1 degree. The second factor is nature of leaving group. Nature of leaving group means size of halogen atom. More the size of halogen atom, weak will be its bond with alpha carbon and hence is easily eliminates. The second factor is common. Ri, Rbr, RCl and at last Rf. Now again students, please, that's for your assignment. Which is more reactive for SN1? It is clear it is 3 degree haloalkane. And in second option, it is primary haloalkane. Sorry, secondary haloalkane. Which is more reactive for SN1 reaction? It is idopropane. It is chloropropane. Please mention the right answer. A or B? Again A or B. That's a factor affecting SN1 reaction. 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. And for leaving group, idolkane, bromolkane, chloralkane and fluoroalkane. Thank you.